Pag-aralan natin ang Filipino to English translation of the negative traits as adjectives. Bastos, rude, impolite, or insolent. Bungangera, talkative or loquacious. Bugnutin, irritable or peevish. Burara, untidy or sloppy. Delicado, dangerous or risky. Dukha, poor, indigent, or destitute. Gastador, spendthrift or extravagant. Isip bata, immature or childish. Kasuklam-suklam, loathsome or disgusting.